Hello guys, for today video we're here in Flying High Bird Park, Childers. Ayan, dito sa Queensland to guys, Queensland, Australia. Ayan, makikita nyo ang iba't ibang klase, kulay ng mga birds dito. Ayan guys, keep watching! Naman para silang lovebirds guys. Ayan guys, nagsusubuan sila na kunwari na may kinukuhang pagkain yung isa tapos sinusubuan. Ibig sabihin niya nanghihingi sa akin ng foods. Kaso lang hindi ko bitbit yung pagkain, nandun sa isa dala-dala yung pagkain. Kaya yun, wala akong maibigay sa kanila Ang cute nila tingnan, ang sweet nila. Ayan. Sana all. Mapapasana all ka na lang kung ganun ka-sweet ba, no? Ay nakikita, puso ko ay tumakaba. It like my head. Oh, look at that. Ah, that's cute, Basti. That's okay, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go move from now. That's okay. Just keep working. Keep going. Let's go. It's a big one. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Long bill Corella. Oh, he likes me. Gonna have a video. Hello. Hello. I have a friend. What's your name? Tell me your name. Hi? You want to come? Ayan guys, I walk with this parrot. Ang cute naman. Can I kiss you? Kiss? Can I kiss? Ang sweet naman. Can I kiss you? Hi? Ha? Can I kiss you? Yan. Yan guys, Yeah, you like me? Hi? You like me? Thank you. Thank you for coming with me. Hi? Oh, ang sweet. Oh my God, ang sweet naman ito. Oh, this is sweet. Hi. Thank you for coming with me. What's your name? Can you tell me your name? My name is Luchi. Hi. Luchi Atienza. Hello guys, this is my friend. I have a new friend here. Oh, that's really sweet, man. Hey, you want to come with me? Hi? Would you like to come? Oh, ang sweet naman ito guys, Ayan, ayan. Ang sweet naman. Ayan guys, ito yung kaibigan ko guys, I will show you. Ayan. Gusto niya ako. You want to kiss? Kiss? You want to kiss? I'm your mom. I'm your mom. I have a new friend here. This is my new friend. Hello. Hello. How are you today? What you doing today? Hi? What you doing, my friend? How's your day? You having a good time with your friends? Ang sweet naman ito guys. Iuwi ko na lang to. You want to come with me? Hi? Yan guys, ang sweet talaga niya. Ayaw niyang umalis Ayaw niyang umalis. You want something to say? You want to say something to me? What you want to say? Would you like a cuddle?
So how long are you going to be talking to the birds?
Look at that! Ayan. Ang sweet naman ito, guys, oh. Oh, so sweet. He likes me. Hi, thank you for coming with me. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're very sweet, ay?
I might need to show you.
Oh, sweet naman ito. He likes me. Oh, he likes me. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan. Oh, gusto niya ako eh. Gusto niya ako. Kiss, 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 kiss. Ayan, ayan, kiss, kiss. Butik na ako mahubaran nito. Oh, malalaglag ka na. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan, ginaganyan ko na lang, guys. Gustong gusto niya talaga ako. Oh, you like me? Ay? You like me? Oh. Ang sweet naman ito. Akala niya bahay yung ano ko, buhok ko. Ayan, guys, oh. Ang sweet talaga niya. Hello. 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 How are you today? What are you doing today? Yeah. You like me, ay? Ay? You like me? Yeah? Ibaba natin to. Hello. Hello. Ayan siya, guys, eh. Ayan. Oh, ay. Kaya. Ay? You want to see something? Ay? Ay? Look at this bird.
I'll have one hold on my hands and on my shoulder. And I had one on my head. Into the neck. I have one on my head.
You want in your head?
Wait, I want it in your head.
Yeah. I don't know why he likes my hair.
Love your hair.
He likes to hide under my hair.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Where are you going?
I got but I'm storing my
Finish time, ay. Ay? Finish time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mommy, I think he's tangled in your hair.
He's tangled. Can you help him? Yeah, he's tangled, I think.
Yeah, move your hand. Move your hand. Slide.
But he likes me, I think. I don't know. It's thick. What are you doing? See you, bye-bye. Ayan, ibababa na kita, bird. Kasi aalis na kami. See you next time. Ayan, ayaw talaga niyang umalis eh. Gusto niyang mag-stay sa shoulder ko. You want to come? At home. I take you at home. You want to come? Ayan, nagkikiss siya sa akin. Akala niya iuwi ko siya. Akala niya sasama siya sa akin. Ang cute. Yun, napaka-cute ng bird. Napakabait niya. Ayaw niyang umalis sa akin. Gusto niyang magstay. Kaya pinipilit kong tanggalin sa aking shoulder kasi aalis na kami. Okay. Ayan guys, hindi siya masaya. Nalungkot siya. Kasi iniwan ko siya. Hindi naman kita pwedeng iuwi, bird. Kaya see you next time. Kaya guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Lucia Atienza here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.